From the ashes of devastation, a new power emerged, reshaping and redefining itself. Yes, we're talking about Germany's miraculous recovery from the World War. In the aftermath of the war, Germany was a nation in ruins. Its cities lay in rubble, its economy was shattered, and the spirits of its people were at an all-time low. But even in the face of such adversity, there was a spark of resilience that refused to be extinguished. Germany's first step towards recovery was the implementation of the Marshall Plan, a U.S. initiative that aimed to aid European nations in rebuilding their economies. This brought about a significant influx of capital into the country, which was used to rebuild infrastructure, stimulate industry, and revive the economy. However, Germany's recovery wasn't just about money. It was about redefining its identity as a nation. It was about moving away from a war-torn past towards a future of peace, prosperity, and progress. The German people took it upon themselves to rebuild their cities, not just physically, but also culturally and socially. From the iconic beer gardens of Munich to the thriving art scene in Berlin, they breathed life back into their communities, creating a vibrant and diverse society that celebrated its rich heritage while embracing modernity. The German government also played a crucial role in the recovery process. They established a social market economy, a system that combined a free market capitalist structure with strong regulatory oversight and social welfare programs. This approach not only helped stabilize the economy, but also ensured that the benefits of growth were shared equitably among all citizens. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of Germany's recovery was its ability to transform its industrial sector. From being a war machine to becoming the home of world-renowned brands like Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen, Germany rebuilt its industrial base with a focus on quality, innovation, and efficiency. In the face of adversity, Germany emerged stronger, setting a precedent for nations worldwide. And so, from the ruins of a devastating war, Germany rose like a phoenix, not just surviving, but thriving, and standing today as a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people and their relentless pursuit of progress. Before we delve into the impact of the DB strike, let's first understand Germany's economic state pre-strike. Germany at this time was a hub of economic vitality and innovation. The country was known for its ability to bounce back from adversities and its knack for turning challenges into opportunities. The robust German economy was a testament to this resilience. One of the pillars of Germany's economy was its automobile industry. German engineering was regarded as one of the finest in the world, and this was particularly evident in the country's car manufacturing sector. Brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen were not just national icons, but symbols of German precision and quality on the global stage. But the German economy wasn't just about sleek sedans and powerful sports cars. The country was also a major player in the global beer market. With over 1,300 breweries and thousands of unique beer varieties, Germany was a paradise for beer lovers. The beer industry was a significant contributor to the country's economy, employing hundreds of thousands of people and attracting millions of tourists each year. And let's not forget about the rich and diverse culture of Germany that provided a significant boost to the economy. From the iconic Berlin Wall that told stories of the past, to the music festivals that celebrated the present, the German culture was a fascinating blend of history and modernity. It was a major draw for tourists, contributing billions to the German economy. But it wasn't just these industries that made Germany an economic powerhouse. The country's robust infrastructure, skilled labor force, and innovative enterprises played a crucial role in driving economic growth. Germany was a leader in many sectors, from renewable energy to digital technology, demonstrating a forward-thinking approach that was deeply ingrained in its economic fabric. Germany was indeed an economic powerhouse, showing immense potential for growth. However, the course of this thriving economy was soon to be altered by an unexpected event, the DB strike. But that's a story for another scene. For now, let's appreciate the sheer economic vitality that Germany showcased before this pivotal event. However, every economy has its ups and downs, and Germany was no exception. Enter the DB strike, a major blow to the thriving economy. Germany, a nation known for its precision, punctuality, and powerhouse economy, would face an unexpected challenge in the form of the DB strike. Deutsche Bahn, or DB, is Germany's state-owned railway company, an entity so embedded in the country's infrastructure that its operations are like the veins and arteries of the German body economic. When the strike hit, it was as if a clot had formed, cutting off vital circulation. So what caused the DB strike? The root cause was a disagreement over wages and working conditions. The Railway Workers Union, representing a significant portion of DB's workforce, demanded higher wages and better working conditions. When negotiations with the company broke down, the union called for a strike. It was a classic labor dispute, but the ripple effects were anything but ordinary. The immediate impact of the DB strike on Germany's economy was significant. Imagine a busy, bustling machine, a well-oiled gear in the global economy, suddenly grinding to a halt. That's what the DB strike did to Germany. Goods couldn't be transported, people couldn't get to work, and the economy's heartbeat skipped a beat. The strike hit particularly hard in the automotive industry, a cornerstone of the German economy. With trains out of commission, cars couldn't be delivered to dealerships, parts couldn't be shipped to factories, and production lines slowed down. The ripple effect was felt across the entire economy, from the breweries in Bavaria to the tech startups in Berlin. The DB strike also had an international impact. Germany, being a key player in the European Union, plays a significant role in the region's economy. The strike disrupted trade routes, causing delays and financial losses not just within Germany but throughout Europe. The DB strike was a setback, but was it a knockout? Let's find out. Post the DB strike, Germany's economy was in a state of flux. The once steaming locomotive of Europe found itself in a challenging situation. The strike had thrown a wrench into the gears of the well-oiled German economic machine, causing it to stutter and stall. Germany's economy was like a complex puzzle, with the Deutsche Bahn, or DB, serving as a crucial piece. The DB strike had a ripple effect, impacting other sectors of the economy. Suddenly, the intricate network of supply chains, which had been functioning like clockwork, fell into disarray. A domino effect ensued, with businesses across the country feeling the pinch. Manufacturing, a cornerstone of the German economy, was hit hard. With the DB's freight services at a standstill, factories grappled with delays in raw materials and finished goods. This disruption in the supply chain led to a slowdown in production rates and eventually a dip in the nation's GDP. Tourism, another significant contributor to the German economy, also took a hit. The strike made it difficult for tourists to travel within the country, leading to a decline in tourist inflow. This had a subsequent impact on businesses that thrived on tourism, like restaurants, hotels, and local artisans. However, as with any crisis, the DB strike also presented opportunities for change and growth. It was a wake-up call for the German economy, highlighting its heavy reliance on the DB. It served as an impetus for diversification, encouraging businesses to explore alternative modes of transport and logistics, and pushing the government to invest in infrastructure development. The DB strike was a test of resilience for the German economy. It faced the challenge head-on, adapting, evolving, and working towards recovery. It was a testament to Germany's economic strength and its ability to bounce back from adversity. The strike left its mark, but Germany was not ready to back down. Just as a phoenix rises from its ashes, Germany began its journey of recovery post the DB strike. This period marked a significant chapter in the country's economic history, demonstrating resilience, determination, and a commitment to bounce back stronger than ever. In the immediate aftermath of the strike, the German government took swift and decisive action, implementing a series of measures to stabilize the economy. These included a comprehensive stimulus package aimed at boosting consumer spending and reigniting business activity. This bold move injected fresh momentum into the economy, helping to alleviate some of the immediate financial pressures brought on by the strike. The government also prioritized infrastructure development, investing heavily in the country's transport networks, particularly railways. This not only created jobs, but also ensured that the country's logistics and supply chains could function effectively, a vital element in the path to economic recovery. But the recovery wasn't just about short-term fixes. Germany also focused on long-term strategies to ensure sustainable growth. This included fostering innovation, supporting the growth of technology companies, and investing in green energy projects. These initiatives not only opened up new avenues for economic expansion, but also positioned Germany as a forward-thinking nation, ready to embrace the future. The effects of these measures were far-reaching. Despite the initial setback, Germany's economy began to show signs of recovery. Consumer confidence improved, businesses started to regain their footing, and the job market started to stabilize. The nation that had been brought to a standstill was slowly but surely getting back on its feet. Yet it's important to remember that these achievements were not the result of chance or serendipity. They were the result of a country's determination to overcome adversity, its commitment to its people, and its unwavering belief in the strength of its economy. The path was challenging, but Germany was determined to regain its economic stronghold. Through resilience, strategic planning, and an unwavering commitment to progress, Germany demonstrated that even in the face of adversity, it's possible to rise, rebuild, and come back stronger. Today, Germany stands as a testament to resilience and economic prowess. The nation's economy, robust and diverse, is a powerhouse in the international arena. With its vibrant mix of industries, from manufacturing to services, Germany is an economic leader, not just in Europe, but globally. The backbone of Germany's economy is its manufacturing industry. Renowned for its high quality and precision, German manufacturing is a force to be reckoned with. Its automotive industry is particularly noteworthy. Brands such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen are globally recognized and respected, symbolizing the nation's commitment to quality, innovation, and excellence. But Germany's economic prowess extends beyond manufacturing. The nation is also a leader in the field of technology, with a thriving startup scene that rivals that of Silicon Valley. Companies like SAP and Siemens are technological giants, their influence extending across borders and industries. Furthermore, Germany's service sector, particularly finance and insurance, is a key player in its economic success. Frankfurt, known as the financial hub of Europe, is home to the European Central Bank and many major German and international banks. This sector contributes significantly to Germany's GDP, making it an important pillar of the economy. Moreover, the country's robust agricultural sector, with its emphasis on sustainable and organic farming, meets the nation's food needs and contributes to its export economy. Its beer industry, steeped in tradition and culture, is world-renowned, adding another layer to Germany's economic diversity. The nation's commitment to renewable energy and environmental sustainability is another testament to its economic foresight and resilience. It's one of the world's leading countries in the adoption of renewable energy sources, reducing its dependency on fossil fuels and setting an example for other nations to follow. In the wake of the DB strike, Germany's economy showed impressive resilience, bouncing back and continuing its upward trajectory. The nation's ability to weather economic storms and emerge stronger is a testament to its economic strength and stability. From the ashes of war to the aftermath of the DB strike, Germany has proven its mettle time and again. Its journey from devastation to economic powerhouse is a story of resilience, innovation, and unwavering commitment to progress. Germany's journey from the World War to becoming an economic powerhouse is indeed compelling. This nation, known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and of course, world-famous beer, also has an economic story that is as fascinating as it is inspiring. Germany's economy is a testament to resilience and determination, marked by significant challenges and remarkable victories. From the ashes of war to the economic powerhouse it is today, the journey is filled with lessons and insights. Delve deeper into the intricacies of Germany's economic landscape. Explore the impact of events like the DB strike and the subsequent recovery. Understand the role of iconic industries like automobile manufacturing in shaping the country's economy. Learn how policies and strategies helped Germany overcome adversities and seize opportunities. Embark on this journey of discovery and understand how Germany transformed its adversities into opportunities. Because in understanding we find respect, and in respect we find admiration. Thank you for watching.